podcast. Welcome. I'm your English teacher, Gaurav Rai. Welcome you on the onset of online learning class. Today, we will read chapter number second of class 8th standard Honeydew book. The title is The Tsunami. What do you mean by tsunami? Tsunami is a very large and powerful wave caused by earthquakes under the sea. On 26th December 2004, a tsunami hit Thailand and parts of India, such as the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Tamil Nadu coast. Here are some stories of courage and survival with animals. Since that tsunami was coming, some stories suggest they did. Come on the chapter first. Come on the chapter number second. Part first. These stories are all from the Andaman and Nicobar archipelago. What do you mean by the term archipelago? Archipelago means a group of many islands and the surrounding sea. Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society in Kachal. His wife woke up him at 6 a.m. As you know that Ignatius was the manager of a cooperative society. What do you mean by the term cooperative? Ready to work other in a team. He was a manager in cooperative society in Kachal. Kachal is where? In Nicobar Island. When his wife woke up him at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake. She woke up her husband Ignatius at 6 a.m. because she felt an earthquake. Ignatius carefully took his television set off its table and put it down on the ground so that it would not fall and break. Then the family rushed out of the house. And after that, Ignatius woke up and he took his television set off table and put it down, and he kept his television downside on the earth from the table. After that, he kept it so that it would not fall and break. And the family rushed out. Rushed out means came out from the house because of the earthquake. When the tremors stopped, they saw the sea rising. In the chaos and confusion, two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. And what had happened when the tremors means slight shake because of earthquake, tremors, movement. The earth shakes during an earthquake. When the tremors stopped, they saw the sea rising. The Ignatius family saw the sea rising, uplifting in the chaos. And chaos means complete disorder or confusion. Chaos and confusion. Two of his children caught hold of the hands of their mother's father. Mother's father means maternal grandfather, and two of the children caught hold the hands of mother's father and mother's brother, means maternal uncle, and rushed in the opposite direction. And they ran in the opposite direction. He never saw them again. And after that, Ignatius never saw his children and his her mother's father and mother's brother. His wife was also swept away. Swept away means swept away is a term. It means that taken away by water. Only the three other children who came with him were saved. And who was saved? who were saved. Only 3 other children who came with him were saved. On the next. Sanjeev was a policeman serving in the Kachal Island of the Nicobar Island group. He somehow managed to save himself, his wife, and his baby daughter from the waves. But then he heard cries for help from the wife of John, the guest house cook. Sanjeev jumped into the water to rescue her, but they were both swept away. Here is a story. Sanjeev was a policeman who was serving in Kachal Island in Nicobar Island group. He somehow anyway managed himself, saved himself, his wife and his baby daughter from the waves. But then he heard the cries from the wife of John, who was John, the guest house cook. Sanjeev jumped into the water to rescue. To rescue means save her, John's wife. But they were both swept away. Means both means who were swept away? Sanjeev and John's wife. 13-year-old Meghna was swept away along with her parents and 77 other people. She spent 2 days floating in the sea holding onto a wooden door, and 13-year-old Meghna was a girl who was swept away. Was also swept away means taken away by water along with her parents, and 77 other people also swept away. She spent 2 days floating in the floating sea, and she held wooden door. She had taken the support of a wooden door. 11 times she saw relief helicopters overhead, but they didn't see her. And Meghna saw 11 times. She saw 11 times rescue helicopters. Rescue helicopters means helicopters that were saving the people, but they did not see Meghna. She was brought to the shore by a wave and was found walking on the seashore in a daze. And she came on the bank shore by a strong wave, and she found that was walking on the seashore in a daze. In a daze means here unconscious, half sleepy. She was unconscious, half sleepy. Come on the next. Almas Javed was 10 years old. She was a student of Carmel Convent in Port Blair, where her father had a petrol pump. Her mother, Rahila's home was in Nankauri Island. The family had gone there to celebrate Christmas. As you know that Almas Javed was 10 years old and she was a student in Carmel Convent, Port Blair. Port Blair, where her father had a petrol pump also. Her mother Rahila's home was Nankauri Island. Nankauri Island means in Nicobar Island. The family had gone there in Nankauri Island in Nicobar Island to celebrate Christmas. When the tremors came early in the morning, the family was sleeping. Alma's father saw the sea water recede. He understood that the water would come rushing back with great force. He woke up everyone up and tried to rush them to a safer place. When the tremors came, when the shaking, when Alma's father held that the tremors came early in the morning movement, when he felt the movement because of the earthquake. In the morning, the family was sleeping. Alma's father on that time saw the sea wave recede, move back from it was the seawater move back from place. On that time, he understood that the water would come rushing back. The water would come with great force in front of them. He woke everyone and tried to rush them to a safer place. And he woke everyone from his family so that they could get a safer place. As they ran, her grandfather was hit on the head by something and he fell down. Her father rushed to help him. Then came the first giant wave that swept both them away. As they ran, Alma's father and their family started to run. Alma's grandfather was hit on the head by something and he fell down. Her father, the father of Almas, ran to help her grandfather, but they came the first giant. The first giant means big, strong wave came, and both of them swept. Swept means flown away by water. Alma's mother and aunt stood clinging to the lips of a coconut tree, calling out to her. A wave uprooted the tree and they too were washed away. And what had happened? Alma's mother and aunts stood clinging. Alma's mother and her aunt, they were standing by holding coconut tree, clinging to the lips of a coconut tree. They held coconut tree lips, and they are calling out to her, Almas. But a wave uprooted the tree, and the tree had been uprooted from the root, and they too were washed away. They were also flown in the water. Almas saw a log of wood floating. She climbed onto it. Then she fainted. When she woke up, she was in a hospital in Kamorta. From there, she was brought to Port Blair. And Almas saw a log of wood, a piece of wood floating in the water. She climbed up and then she fainted. Fainted means became unconscious, became unaware. When she woke up, she was in hospital in Kamorta, and from the hospital she was brought to Port Blair. The little girl does not want to talk about the incident with anyone. She is still traumatized, and the little girl Almas doesn't want to talk about the incident, what had happened with anyone, because she is still traumatized. What do you mean by the term traumatized? Greatly shocked and distressed. She was shocked because of the incident, what had happened. So we will come on the next part in the next video. Thanks for watching.